So in this video, we're going to talk about three drives pattern. We're going to see how you can identify this pattern on the charts and what are some rules that you need to follow. And in the end, I'm going to show you an example on the charts so that you can understand it clearly. Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video, we're going to talk about three drives pattern. Okay, this pattern is basically a reversal pattern, and after the formation of this pattern, the market trend is reversed. So let's say if the market is going in the bullish direction, so after the formation of this pattern, what will happen is the market will go in the bearish direction. The trend will get reversed, and this pattern consists of three waves, in which we have here the first wave, and in the first wave we have a big bullish move in the upward direction or in the bullish direction, and then we have our retracement which completes our one wave. So the retracement of this bullish move will be to the level of 61.8 Fibonacci. If I take the Fibonacci tool from here and draw this, we can see that the retracement of this bullish move is to the level of 61.8 level. Okay, and then 8. So if I draw this from here to here, we can see that this bullish move is almost equal to 1.618. okay, it's approximately close to that. So this bullish move is the extension of this retracement level, and here again we have the retracement of this bullish move. Let me just delete this, and here we have the retracement of this bullish move, the second wave, which is also equal to 61.8 level, and here we can see that this is almost equal to 61.8 level. So this completes our first two waves. Okay, and after the formation of these first two waves, what you will do is you will draw a trend line that will be passing through the higher highs of these 2 points, this point 1 and 2, and you will extend this trend line in future. Okay, and another thing you also need to keep in mind is that the time duration of these waves should also be similar. It shouldn't be that like this wave was formed in, let's say, 8 hours and the next would form in 2 hours. The time should almost be similar. Okay, if this one formed in 8 hours, this should also form approximately in 8 hours. So after the confirmation of these things, what you need to do is, here we can see that in the third wave the market started from here after the retracement from second wave and then went all the way up, and it also broke through this trend line that we had drawn. So here mostly people will think that the market has broken this resistance and will go in the upward direction, but here it's just giving us a false breakout. Okay, so you need to wait for the market to close below that, below this trend line. Okay, and after the market closes below this trend line, it confirms that the three drives pattern is detected. Okay, it's valid. So after the formation of that pattern, the market will go in the downward direction. So what has happened here is that buyers have tried to take control of the market. They tried here at this first point, and then at second point, and also at this third point. But when the market gives a false breakout, and this succeed momentarily, but after that the sellers take control of the market and the market closes below this trend line. Okay, so that means that right now the sellers are in control and the trend will get reversed. So after the formation of this three drives pattern, that if the market is going bullish, it will start going in the bearish direction. So now let me show you an example of this three drive pattern on the charts. So here, if we go down here, we can see that the formation of the waves here. Okay, and let me just draw the wave. Let me just draw this one here. So here we can see that this is also a three drive pattern forming, and let me just draw this till here. And in order to confirm that these waves are following our rules, we can use the Fibonacci tool. Okay, so our first thing was that there should be a bullish move, okay, which is here in the wave 1, and then the retracement should be to the level of almost 61.8. so let me just go here and let me just take this tool, and we can see that the retracement is almost to the level of 61.8. okay, and after that there will be an extension of this retracement, and that move, or that bullish move, should also be at to the level of 1.618 Fibonacci. So if I take this Fibonacci tool and draw this here, we can see that this extension or this move is to the level of 1.618 Fibonacci. So this confirms our, and after that the retracement of this bullish move should also be to the level of 0.618. Okay, and if I draw from here to here, we can see that this is also following our rule. So we have drawn our first two waves successfully. Okay, and what I can do here is I can draw a trend line which will be passing through both of these points. So if I draw from here to here, we can see that this is a line passing through these 2 points, and here the market is giving us a false breakout. So here this buyers tried to take control of the market at this level, but they failed. Okay, and again they tried to take control of the market at this level, but they failed again. So they succeeded momentarily, but in the end the sellers took control of the market. And you can also see the formation of this big bearish candle. Okay, so with the formation of this false breakout and market closing below the trend line, that confirms that the 3 drive pattern is valid. Okay, and the market is gonna go bullish, which it did. And we can see that here that market continued to go in the bullish direction. And here, and another thing that we discussed is the time duration of the formation of these waves should almost be same. Okay, so if I draw from here to here, we can see that the duration is, we can see that the first wave is almost from here to here. Okay, and the second wave is also almost of the equal length or equal time. So all of our rules are being satisfied. That means that the 3 drive pattern is valid. Okay, so if you had seen something like this, if you had seen a wave, a first wave would have been like this, or the second wave would have been like this, that pattern would not have been valid, because the time duration of the first wave and the second wave is not same. So the time duration needs to be the same in order for the three drive patterns to be valid. So let me just repeat what we have discussed in this video. So we discussed about 3 drives pattern, and in which we saw 3 waves, the first and the second wave, in which the retracements are almost to the level of 61.8, and the extension is almost to the level of 1.618. And the third wave, which gives the false breakout, and after that the market closes below the trend line, which we draw from by a line passing through this point 1 and 2. And after the false breakout, the market starts going in the bearish direction because the sellers are in control. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to join our free Telegram group where we share free educations related to Forex and price action. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.